In this video, I will show you how you can import the puzzle files inside PowerPoint. First step is that you select the puzzle set. Next, you select a template. In this example, we select a 2-page spread. Each puzzle will use 2 pages. You then click the button, and the puzzle files will be imported into a PowerPoint presentation. You can change the settings for the puzzle images and the text, and then save it as a new template. Depending on the length of the introduction, the number of puzzle clues, and the font size you've chosen, some of the clues may not fit within the template slide. If you set the overflow to the same slide, any clues that don't fit will appear next to the slide. From there, you can easily drag them into the right spot.